Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to demo trade or paper trade. You can call it whatever you want. But what you need to know is they don't call it right here demo trading or paper trading. They call it mock trading, and that is what I will show you. Because if you go right here to futures, you have here the option mock trading. So we click right here on mock trading, and of course they want you that you create an account right here on Phemex, and then you can use right here their mock trading option. What we need to do first of all is log in with your account, because otherwise you won't get that 5k right there. This is the balance that we can use for trading. What we're going to do right now is we search right here on the chart which one we want to buy. So let's say I want to buy Bitcoin, then we go right here to Bitcoin. There we have it. And now we are seeing here the chart of Bitcoin. Damn, it's going in an uptrend. That is very nice to see. But right now we want to buy Bitcoin. Then what we're going to do is we select right here market, and then we fill in right here the size of Bitcoin that we want to buy. If you don't want to fill in the size, we can also select right here the MUSDT, and then we can fill in right here, let's say we want to buy 100 MUSDT. Now you see right here how much it is, what the value is. And then what we're going to do right here, if you want to do risk management, you can select right here on TPSL, take profit, stop loss. And then you can fill in right here the take profit or stop loss if you want to do on risk management. And then we can select right here, for example, just open long. Then we do confirm. There we go. And now we created ourselves a nice position right here on Bitcoin. If you want to close this position right here, we can go right here to market, and then you can click right here on close long. Now, if you don't want to close the complete trade, you can also complete half the trade right here. But let's say we want to close the complete trade right here. Then we do close long, and now we close this one. This is what you need to know to demo trade right here on Phemex. If you want to change right here the chart type, or maybe right here the indicators, if you want to add an indicator, you can do that too. You can change right here the time frame. And if you want to short, you can do exactly the same that we did for a long position, but then select short. So if I click here on short, we can create ourselves a short position right here. But this is, to be honest, what you need to know for trading on Phemex. So if you have more questions about something with demo trading, mock trading, comment it down below so I can help you out. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.